Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Friends, in today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up Google Drive for Desktop on your Windows computer. By using this software, you can easily sync your computer files with Google Drive, allowing you to access the same files from your phone, laptop, or any other computer. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser, then type download Google Drive in the search box. Click on download Google Drive from the search results, then click the download Drive for Desktop button. Wait a few moments for the download to begin. Once the download is complete, double-click the setup file. When the installer opens, you can choose to check the options to create desktop shortcuts for Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. Then click Install. Wait a few moments while the installation completes. Once the installation is finished, click Launch. During the installation, if Chrome displays a message saying Application Launcher added, you can choose Remove from Chrome if you don't need it. When Google Drive opens, click Get Started. Then select Sign In. This will open your web browser. Now sign in using your Gmail address and password. After signing in successfully, you'll see a confirmation message. Within a few moments, the Google Drive desktop app will launch automatically. Google Drive will now ask whether you want to automatically back up your desktop, documents, and downloads folders. If you don't want to back them up, simply uncheck all of them and click Skip. Next, you'll see an information screen explaining the difference between Google Drive and Google Photos. Finally, click Next. Now click Open Drive. Click Got it. Google Drive will now appear as a new drive on your computer. You can add up to 4 Google accounts to Google Drive for Desktop. Each Google account comes with 15 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Now click Open Drive folder. You'll see that Google Drive has been added under this PC as a separate drive. Keep in mind that if you try to paste files directly into the Google Drive root folder, you may receive an item not found error. Instead, open the My Drive folder first. Then, paste your files or folders there. Once you do that, your files will automatically sync with your Google Drive account. After that, you'll be able to access the same files from your phone, another computer, or any web browser. That's it! Your Google Drive for Desktop is now fully installed and set up. From now on, your important files will be safely synced to the cloud and will be available from any of your devices. So friends, that was the complete process of downloading, installing, and setting up Google Drive for Desktop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Also be sure to subscribe to the Tech Hunter channel for more technology tips and AI tutorials. I'm Syed, thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.